Verifying your bank account on Kamatera is an essential step to ensure secure transactions and account management. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your Kamatera account. Access the Kamatera website and log in using your registered email and password. Ensure you have access to the account you wish to verify. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select bank account verification. In the account settings, find the option for bank account verification. Click on this option to begin the verification process. Step 4. Provide bank account details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, including your account number, routing number, and any other required details. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid delays. Step 5. Submit verification documents. Upload any necessary documents to verify your identity and bank account ownership. This may include a bank statement or a government-issued ID. After uploading, submit the documents for review. After completing these steps, wait for Kamatera to process your verification. You will receive a notification once your bank account is successfully verified.